Hello everyone, let's meet Mr. Bhatia, a Tally integrator who offers solutions to Tally customers. He has received a requirement for which he needs some guidance.
I have designed an application using VB.NET for one of my clients. The client requires an option to view the bill information available in Tally RP9. Hence, the party bill details need to be extracted from Tally into the application.
This requirement can be met using a simple two-step process. Now before starting with these steps, the following two things should be ensured in the advanced configuration screen of Tally. First, the option Enable ODBC server should be on, and secondly, the appropriate port number has to be specified, which will be used by the third-party application to communicate with Tally. The first step is to write a TTL collection to gather all the required bill details pertaining to the party specified in the third-party application. The syntax for writing the collection to be exposed as an SQL procedure is as follows. The collection attribute SQL params gets the parameter from the external source, and SQL values sets the appropriate values to the columns in the table being returned. The collection party bills will enable the ODBC tables for the selected party. It behaves like a procedure to the external application, which accepts a parameter ODBC party name and returns the table of object type bills. The second step is to write the VB.NET code. To connect with database, we need to specify the ODBC driver details. It is just like connecting third-party database like Access, SQL, Oracle, etc. In this case, values are retrieved from the Tally database. The syntax is as follows. If the Tally application is running on an IP address 192.168.1.1 and port 9090, then the driver information will read as follows. Subsequently, we need to call the SQL procedure with the parameter. Procedure name is the name of TTL collection. A variable connection string of type string is declared, which is set to the ODBC driver connection string value. An object, this ODBC, is created, which establishes connectivity using this variable. A variable SQL query ledger is declared to hold the SQL query string. Also, an object allLedgers is declared, which sends the SQL query to Tally using the ODBC connection object this ODBC. After this, all the ledgers from the active Tally company will be held by the object allLedgers. A new data structure or class, DataSetLedgers, is created, and the method $name is filled from the object allLedgers. Then, the data source for the combo box is set appropriately. The value in the value member will be displayed in the combo box party name combo box. A variable party name is declared, which is set to the value selected in the given combo box. A variable SQL query bills is declared to call the procedure. An object ODBC adapter bills is declared, which sends the SQL query to Tally using the connection object this ODBC. After this, all the bills pertaining to the selected ledger will be set within the object ODBC adapter bills. A new data structure DataSetBills is created, and the method $name is filled from the object ODBC adapter bills. Then, the data source for data grid view bills is set to render the bills fetched. Let's have a look at how the implementation is carried out in VB.NET. After providing the URL and the port number, the ledger is selected from the pop-up list. This displays the bill details of the particular ledger, which can be verified from the actual bill details present in Tally ERP9. An alternate way to fetch data from Tally is to retrieve all the data into the VB.NET application and filter the same using the where clause. One just needs to change the SQL query. Also, in the collection, the methods need to be computed using the attribute compute. Let us view the TDL for the same on Tally Developer 9 screen. This will enable the ODBC tables of bills where we have computed the methods required to be fetched from Tally. For more information, refer to documents on integration present on our website, or in case of any doubts or queries, email us at support.tallydeveloper@tallysolutions.com.